A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. 26 letters, sing with me. Hello my little genius. Today we are going to play with alphabets. Watch the video till end. Let's start. Capital letter A. A is for apple. Capital letter B. B is for book. Capital letter C. C is for cake. Capital letter D. D is for dog. Capital letter E. E is for elephant. Capital letter F. F is for flower. Capital letter G. G is for giraffe. Capital letter H. H is for house. Capital letter I. I is for iron. Capital letter J. J is for jug. Capital letter K. K is for kite. Capital letter L. L is for lion. Capital letter M. M is for mango. Capital letter N. N is for nest. Capital letter O. O is for orange. Capital letter P. P is for parrot. Capital letter Q. Q is for queen. Capital letter R. R is for rose. Capital letter S. S is for sunflower. Capital letter T. T is for tiger. Capital letter U. U is for umbrella. Capital letter V. V is for van. Capital letter W. W is for watermelon. Capital letter X. X is for X-ray. Capital letter Y. Y is for yarn. Capital letter Z. Z is for zoo.